puzzle. 58% of the people solve it, so let's go ahead and get started. 1 can go here. 1 cannot go here or here, so we have it going here. 1 cannot go here, here, or here, so we have it going there. 1 cannot go in the middle or the side, so we have it going there. Make sure we put everything, because last time we forgot. 1 can go here or here. 2 can go anywhere here. 2 can't go here, so it can go in or here, so we have it going here and here, which means it can't go here, here, or here, so we have a 2, which can't go here or here, so we have it going at the bottom. Not going at the bottom, so we got top and middle. Can't go here, here, or here, so we have our next number, 2. 3 cannot go in the middle, going up and down, so we have it going there. 3 can go anywhere here. 3 can go anywhere here as well. 3 cannot go at the top, so it can go in these 3 spots. Same thing here, middle and bottom. 3 can go on the sides. 3 can go everywhere here, and 3 can go everywhere here. Make sure we put it everywhere. We don't unclick anything. 4 cannot go in the middle, so it can go in the top only, because we have those ones. 4 cannot go here or here, so we have it going here. 4 cannot go at the bottom, so we have it going here and here. 4 can actually go everywhere here. 4 cannot go on the side, but it could go here and the side. 4 cannot go here or here, so we have our next 4. Which means, okay, nothing. 5 cannot go here or here, so we have it going in these 3 spots. 5 can go everywhere here. 5 cannot go there, so it can go in these 3 spots, same as the 3, so hopefully we can get something else, but I don't see anything else. 5 cannot go here or here, so we have it going these 3 spots. 5 cannot go here, so we have it going here and here. 5 cannot go here, so we have it going in these 3 spots. And 5 can go in anywhere here. 6 cannot go in the middle, here or here, so we have it going here and here only. 6 cannot go in the middle, so it can go at the top and the middle and the bottom. 6 cannot go here, so we have it going in the 4 spots. 6 cannot go here, so it could go in the top and bottom. 6 cannot go here, so it could go at the top or bottom. Cannot go here or here, so we have our next number, 6, which means 6 cannot go here or here. We have it going down here. 6 cannot go here or here. We have it going right there. All right, 7 cannot go at the top, but it could go anywhere here. 7 cannot go at the top, middle, and bottom. 7 cannot go here or here, so we have it going on the side. 7 can actually go here everywhere. 7 can go everywhere here as well. 7 cannot go at the top, so we have it going in the middle and bottom. Same thing here, middle and bottom. 8 can go everywhere here. Make sure we click all of them. 8 cannot go on the side, so it can go in the middle and the side. Same thing here, cannot go on the side, so it can go here. 8 cannot go there or here, so we have it going in these 3 spots. Which, okay, nothing. 8 top and bottom, same thing here, top and middle, and here it can go just here and here, which removes this one. Now it cannot go here or here, so we have only going there the 5 other places, 3 other places. Okay, so now 8, 9 cannot go here or here, so we have going here and here, but the 3, 7, 8, and 9 can go, well, hold on, 9 can only go there as well. With the, no wait, we said 9, but what else? 3 is other places, 7 is other places, 8 is, okay, never mind. 9 cannot go here or here, so we have a 9 right here, which means it helps us because we cannot have anything here. We have it at the top and the bottom. 9 cannot go here or here, so we have it going here, here, and here. 9 cannot go here or here, so we have it going there. Cannot go at the bottom, so we have it going here, 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 and here. All right, 4 minutes, a little bit over 4 minutes to write down. So we have a 6, we have a 7, we have a 5, 3, 5, 3, so we can erase all the 5 3s from here. Do it before we forget. We have a 5, 3, 8, so that means this is our 1. We have a 5, 3, 5, 3, this is our 8. 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, we can erase the 5 3s from here and here, which means this is a 2, this is our 1. This is 5, 8, 3, that's a triple. We have a 5, this is a triple right there. 5, 3, 5, 3, okay. Then what else? Real quick, going again. Nothing here, nothing there. We have a 1, 9, nothing there. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. This is our 5. Then we have, with this 5, cannot go here or here. We have to check when we're solving these. 2 cannot go here or here, so we have it going there. Then we have 5 going here. Okay, we solved the 1 up here, so 1 can go here, which I don't know why we have that 1 there. So we have a 1 here, cannot go here or here or here. So that's why we have it here, and they can go other places. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8. We have 8 has to go up there. Do I see any other triples here? We said this one. We already got that one. Well, look, why do we have a 5 here? That's a 5, that's a 3. This is a 6, 7, 8 triple right there. Oh, with this 3 cannot go here or here or here. Well, we have a 5 here, we have a 3, 5 and 3. Now we start looking, because 3 cannot go here or here. So we have 3 going somewhere there, okay. Okay. 7, oh, that's not a triple right there. Do you have anything here? No, no. That is 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. 1, 4, 8, 9. No, that one. Okay, we have 2. No, no. All right, so let's go 1, 2, 3 can go there and there. We have 4 going there only. Do I have any other 4s down here? Nope, nope. Well, actually, 4, 4, 4, 4. That's an X-wing. So 4 can either go here or here. But if it goes here, this one could go here. But then, I'm not sure about these ones. We could remove those ones. Because if we do that, we put it here. That means we remove these ones. But then how, that doesn't make sense, because if we have this, we can link it here, but we could also link it here, which means we would remove these. But if we put it down here, we remove these, so that would be the 4. It doesn't make sense, so that's not it, because we have 4s there. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 1. We have 2s here, 3s there, 4s. It's right there. 5 is here and here. 6 is right there. 7 and 8 are everywhere. And 9 is here and here only. And that's it. This is a triple. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 going there. 9 as well. We have 1, 2. We have 3s going here. Well, that's a triple, so it doesn't matter. We have 1 going here and here only. And 1 going here and here only. So, but that doesn't help us, because we can remove any ones from here, from here, from here, from here, and we already have it. We have 2s there, 3, 4, 5. We have 6s going here. 7's going everywhere, 8 as well, 9 as well. We have 1, 2, 3s there, 4s there, 5s there, 6, 7, 8s, and 9. We have 1, 2s here. This one, there's more than 2 2s. This one as well. We have 3, 4, 5 is here and here. Is there any other 5? Nope. 5, 6, 7 is there, 8, and then we have 9 everywhere here. 1, 2, 3's there, 4's there, 5, 6 is here. But I don't see it anywhere else, because there's more there. We have 7's everywhere there, 8 and 9. Okay, someone told me in the other puzzle I was missing something. Did I overlook something? So, all right, so I have 1's here. Then I have 2s there, there. 2 is here and here. Then I have 3s here and up there. 4s in many places. 5's right there. 6 right there. 7's right there. 8 in many places. And 9 is in a lot of places. We have 1, 2 in many places. 3, 4, many places. We have 5. We have 6 here only. So I don't know why we didn't have that one. This is a 5, 3, 8 triple, which means this is our 4. This is our 7. 4, 3, 4, 3. We have to remove all the 4 3s. So that's an 8, 9. 1, 8. This is our 4. 4 going down here and here, here as well. So we have 4 going right there, so that doesn't help us much. Okay, so continuing, we have 4, we have 5 here and here only. Which means we cannot have that 5 up there. Because if this is 5, we have nothing here. 5 here, nothing there. So 5 can either go here or here in this row. Go here or here in this row. Which means if it's here, this one, then this one's here. This one is here, this one's there. So we got to remove this 5 from up here. So that's our 3. So with that 3, does that 3 help us solve anything up here? This 3 cannot go here, cannot go here or here. So we have this here. This 3 cannot go here, cannot go here, but we have it going there. Okay, that's fine. 3, 4. Did we remove all the 5s? Yes. Okay, 5s are right here only. We don't have anything here. 5. Then we have 6 here and here. Then we have 7 in a lot of places. Wait, I see 5, 9, 1, 9. Nope, nothing else. 7, 5, 9. Nope. 5, 6. 6 right there. 7's right there. 8 at the bottom. And then I have 9's right there. 1, 2. I have a 3 there and down here. I have 4. Well, I have a 3 there and there. Then, oh, wait, I have this 3 over here. What happened there? Did I not see it? Okay, did that, well, this is 3. 3 cannot go there, there, or there. This is our 3. 3 cannot go here, here, there, or there. So we have a 3 there. We have a 4. So I have a 5, 9, 7, 5, 9, 7, 9. So we have 5, 7, 9. So this has to be a 6. This has to be a 4. This is our 7. With that, this 4 doesn't help us there. This 6 doesn't help us here. Has to be somewhere here. Okay, that's fine. The 6 up here has to be somewhere here. That's fine. Okay, this 7 is somewhere here. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So we have, oh, okay, going back. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 9. Okay. Let's go with 7, 6, 7, 8. 2, 5, 2, 9. Okay, we have 5, 8 right there. We have 1, 2's there. Wait, am I missing something? Did I go over everything? Yeah. Okay, let's go with their basics. 1 cannot go there, or here, or here. We have 1 right there, like right there. We have 2 not going, 2 going somewhere here. We have 2 there, so we have 2 somewhere going down here. 2 can't go there. We have 2 going there. 5, 2. And we have 3 right there. That's the only 3 we have, so that's our 3. Then I see a 2, 5, 8. This is our 7, 6, 8, 5, 8, 5, 2, 8, 2, 8, 7, 9, 9. This is our 7. This is our 9. This is our 1. 7, 6, 8, 7. Then I have a 2. I have a 9. I have a 1. Oh, don't misclick. We have an 8, 2, 8, 4, 9, 2, 5, 8, 5, 9. All right. Again, those triples help us a lot, being able to identify them. So we finished it in 15 minutes with 38 seconds. We could identify them quicker, but it is what it is. Thank you for watching.